What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Full Throttle Josh. We're back. The other day I came here, I finished routing the wiring harness and connecting everything because I doubt you guys wanted to see a video of me doing this. This took me like fucking 5 hours doing all this shit. Unfortunately, sucked ass. This is not good. I don't know what the fuck this is.
What the hell was that? What are you doing? What are you?
I think I did an okay job with the wiring harness, not the greatest. I had to jerry rig some shit here, okay? There was that, hopefully that works. I had to get a new connector over here. First thing we should do is get the spark plug out, throw the new spark plug in. 5/8. This was a shitty design by Suzuki, doing the spark plug like that.
Idiots.
It's fine.
It's like, dude, how the fuck are you supposed to get the spark plug out? Imagine you're cooked in the trail or something. So now I gotta do that. Do this. And I guess maybe stick a magnet down there to get it out. And I gotta take this extension off. Fucking 20-step process to change the spark plug.
Wait a second, this isn't right.
And let's see if I can fish the plug out. That took way too many steps, man. On my DRZ400, it's fucking, the spark plug's right in front of your face. Oh, why did I put that away? I'm gonna need this. New spark plug, hells yeah. Again, it's another 20-degree day. Fucking freezing out. Spring's coming, man. It's almost here. A couple days ago, we had like a, it's like 50, it was like 60 degrees a couple days ago, dude. Believe it or not. Damn, dude. I really thought I was gonna be able to get this fired up today, but I'm missing so much shit. Like, I'm missing that. Ugh. I'm missing the air filter. So unfortunately, this video, we're not gonna get her fired up. Hopefully in the next video, we will. Oh shit, I didn't even tighten that thing, dude. I'm a retard. I just put that in there hand tight. It's like, ah, YOLO. Yep. There she fucking blows, boys. Almost here. Whoop. Whoop, there it is. This $2 thing I got from Harbor Freight came in fucking clutch, dude. Guess the spark plug's locked and loaded, ready to go. I'm so happy for this to get built because then I could start working on the Harley. The Harley's underneath this tarp. I'm building that into like a scrambler stunt build. I'm gonna jack up the suspension, do all this shit. I want it to be like a scrambler, like an adventure. Not a really adventure. I don't want to be one of those guys, but I want to be able to go far on it and maybe go down a dirt road or some shit if I have to. The moment I've been dreading is doing the carb. Make sure there's no fucking paper towel I left in here or anything. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work, circle jerk. Alright, so I got the fucking airbox loosened up. Man, this carb's a cunt to get in, huh?
It's a man's obligation to stick his boneration in a woman's separation. This so
if I take this boot off here. Let's see if this is gonna help me at all, dude. I don't know how the fuck am I gonna get this in, you know? After. This is my last try, then I think we're gonna call it. We're gonna try another day. Because this sucks ass. And I might have to look up how these dudes are doing it. That's in there.
Here's what's going to happen. I am going to have to fix you.
That's the next fucking nightmare. Alright, this could fuck off.
somebody put this retard out of his misery.
I think I found a way to get this fucking boot in, hopefully. I'm gonna have to do it like this. I just gotta find somewhere that's not, there we go. This is a cunt, dude, holy shit.
Something was wrong. Very wrong. I've learned.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Bob. She's on there. Hey guys, we fucking got it. My boys text me about his bitch problems. I'm trying to fucking ride, kid. Let's see if this thing's fully seated all the way around. Oh, it's almost coming out there. Cocked it. We're gonna have to put that band on ASAP, or else she's gonna come out. Stupid whore. This is gonna be fucking fun to try to fish this thing around. Who the fuck's here, dude? I gotta relax. I'm coming out. I'm ready to fucking punch someone in the head right now. That's how fucking frustrated I am.
Are we dealing with maybe a little bipolarism, some rage addiction?
Yep. I put this on retarded, dude. There you go. Yeah. The first time I got this thing running, I had the carb and everything all hooked up. As soon as I put gas in it, it was pissing gas from up here, from this port. I figured out it was the fucking float valve. I said, fuck it. Might as well rebuild the whole carb, and I rebuilt the whole carb. That's good. Yeah. That is decent. TPS. Okay, there we go. Holy shit, hell yeah, hell yeah. Fuck you. Connect this stupid TPS bullshit back up. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap this video up. We got the carb in. We did a bunch of little other minor fucking retarded things I had to do today. Yeah, I wanna get the fuck out of here, so it's been real, guys. We're just gonna keep on going. We're almost there. We're getting pretty fucking close. Pretty fucking close, man. Alright guys, deuces, stay safe. Peace. Full throttle Josh out.